We're continuing the Desmos tips page. We're on number 59. It says 2 ice cream trucks are going to combine all their inventory from both trucks. The polynomials represent the inventory in each truck. So we're going to combine. So there's a couple different ways to do this. We can combine like terms. And we actually have two choices. This is like multiple choice, choice A or choice B. And I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to do this. So it says box both m to the second power terms. So we can do this, and then it says use the divide or slash to make your fraction when you type it in Desmos. So we are going to combine those. So we're going to do 1/5 plus 4. 1 divided by 5, and then we're going to move out to the side, plus 4. And then we get a decimal. To change that to a fraction, we're going to press that circle in the blue margin, and we get our 21/5. So when we go back to our page, those together give me 21/5 right there. Whenever we go to our next step, and it says, it said do not type the letter. So that's why I did not include the M. It says then circle the M, the regular M terms with no other thing right there. Let's see if I can squeeze that in. And it says nothing else to combine, so you copy it down into your answer, and that's where these pieces are coming in the middle. And then it says put a triangle around your constants. Constants do not have variables with it. Type those into Desmos to combine. So we have 13/5 plus 1/2. And you can even type it exactly like it says in your triangle with that plus 13/5. And then when we move out to the side, we have our plus 1/2. And again, that gives you a decimal, so you hit that circle in the blue margin, and it changes it to the 31/10. When we go back to our screen, that's what we're looking for. 31/10 is right there. So this one is going to be your answer. I did want to show you, and that's the same one as down here, I did want to show you another way to do this question if you understand that combine means that you're putting them together by adding. So you can actually group the entire first truck like this and group the second truck like this, and if we're going to combine them, we're going to add them together. And so what we can do is we can go back to Desmos and we can type that in as one very long line. So we have our 1/5, and then we're going to put, instead of m, we're going to use x squared. Desmos sometimes doesn't like other variables. And then we have 13 divided by 5. In our parentheses, we're going to close those out, and we're going to add the second truck. So we're going to group that together, so we're going to keep our parentheses. 4x squared minus 3/4. And again, we're using the letter x. Oh, notice the x was in the bottom. I got to move out to the side. So I'm going to put my x, and then we're going to say plus 1/2. And we have a line. If you hit the house, you'll see that it didn't actually look like a line whenever I first had it going. We only saw part of it like that. And as soon as I started to move it around, you see that curve, so it kind of looks more like a U. We're going to learn all about that after Christmas. Those are called parabolas. Now what we can do is we can type in our two answer choices. 19 divided by 5, x squared. Remember, we're using an x. Subtract 3/4, and then go out to the side, x plus 14/7. You should be typing this in with me. If you need to pause the video, you can, so that you can see this on your device as well. Then I'm going to type in my other choice. My second choice was 21 divided by 5. And we move out to the side to do our x squared minus 3/4 x plus 31/10. Alright, so what I'm going to do is what I showed you before. I'm going to hide the two answer choices, and I'm going to look at them one at a time. The red is the top question that I typed in where I'm combining. The first answer choice is this one that's now popping up in blue. Are they equal? Are they the same? And then I'm going to hide and show the second choice. Are those equal? Are those the same as the red, the original question? Well, the red one disappeared. If you tap on the box, you can see it. And then the green one disappeared. That means that they're in the same place. When they are in the same place, that means that they are equal. So that is another way that you can check to see, yes, this one was correct. And one way that we know is because it was in the same place. It was the same parabola. And if you don't want to say parabola, you can say it was the same U, or you can even draw it.